It was right there. Knob Creek. Oh. On ice, you silly goose.
What is that?
Didn't you hear that?
So, this is a band of us, and we've called ourselves Rocky Mountain River Boys.
Nice.
Rocky Mountain River Boys! Yeah! We have actually performed a handful of times in public places.
That's right.
But mostly just at parties.
We have like 5 hit singles.
So, this song
All in Netherlands.
is about half a year old because it was at my birthday, and I'm about June.
Half a year.
So half a year from here.
Half a year from
So,
here.
Carry the whiskey.
It's 6 months old.
And it was a similar theme party.
This is a 6-month-old age song. We almost have all the lyrics down.
Oh, sorry.
6 months and long.
It's really
for a whiskey
bright.
song, but it'll get better with
All right, so here it's a story. Most of our songs are true stories. You ready?
Ready.
One day on my birthday, I was pouring another drink. My brother told me a story that made me think. He said, "Let me tell you some history about the way things used to be. It was 1823 on a summer day. There's a famous man we all know, and one day he had to go. Probably you never know, at the time he was swimming. Well, this was back in Kentucky, a land known for whiskey. And we think that young man peed in a famous place. So Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Knob Creek. Now Abraham's claim to fame, while we all remember his name, were his presidential acts proclaimed to change this land. But there's more here than meets the eye, because once when he was a young guy, oh, Abraham Lincoln must have been like you and I. So we figure he peed and it flowed right down. And the people making whiskey made the best in town. It was something delicious and a little bit brown. It's true. So Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Knob Creek.
One more.
Oh, Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Knob Creek. So let the good times flow, and raise the glass with your bro. But remember, you never know what's in your bourbon. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Knob Creek. One more time, everybody. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Abraham Lincoln, that's what you're drinking. Knob Creek.
Rocky Mountain River Boys.
So the funny thing is,
It's all rock.
I had 3 bourbons I was choosing from to give to a friend for their birthday, and I said to Celia, who's 7, I said, which one do you want to get? And she's like, Knob Creek, because of the song.